In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add logo Pandadoc. Adding a logo through the header or footer is one of the cleanest ways to brand a document in Pandadoc because it keeps your logo consistent and visible without you needing to place it on every page manually. Once it is in the header or footer, it automatically repeats across the document, which helps your proposals, contracts, or letters look polished and professional. To begin, open the document you want to edit and go to a blank area at the top or bottom of a page. You want to work in the header or footer space, not in the main body of the page, because the header and footer are designed to appear on every page. Now, double-click near the very top edge of the page or near the very bottom edge of the page. When you double-click in one of those areas, Pandadoc will open the header and footer editor. You will know you are in the right place when you can click into that header or footer region and it feels separate from the main content area. Next, click Image inside the header or footer space. Make sure your cursor is placed where you want the logo to sit before you insert it. For example, you might place it on the left for a traditional letterhead look, or on the right if that matches your brand style. Keeping the placement consistent is important because the logo will appear in the same spot on every page. After you select Image, upload your logo from your device. As soon as the upload finishes, the logo will appear in the header or footer, and it will automatically show up on every page of that document. For best results, use a high-quality logo file and avoid overly large images, so the header stays clean and does not crowd your content. If your logo has a transparent background, it will usually blend more smoothly into the page. Once your logo is in place, take a moment to scan through the document pages to confirm it is showing up consistently and does not overlap with any text or margins. That covers everything you need to know.